Your cover page should not be page 1, but Word keeps doing this. If you add page numbers like this, you'll end up numbering even your cover page, and that's very wrong. Here's the correct way to fix it. Double click on your footer, then immediately you see this option. So we want the first page not to be named. We'll say differentiate first page, and just like that, first page will not be labeled. Now the issue is your cover page has no number, but we want the next page to start from number 1. What we do, we go to page number, we go to format page numbers, then we say start from. Now because our first page was number 1, we say let's start from 0, so that it scales from 0 to 1, then click OK. So automatically you can see our main page, the title page is 0, doesn't have a number, then you start from number 1. Very perfect. So the next page number 1 and everything is okay. So that's the correct setup, and the process is you differentiate the page first. After you differentiate the page, you fix the numbering so that the first page starts from 0 and the next page starts from number 1, or whichever the Roman number you want, and just like that you're done. Kindly follow, subscribe and like for more quick word tips like this.